So what you gonna do? I don't know. Oh, I gotta show you my new spell I'm working on. Okay. Okay, be right back. I'm bored. I'm back. Yeah, I know you're back. So what do you want to show me? Oh, a new spell I'm working on. Duh. Okay. Okay, what my spell is, I'm going to make it rain. What? You're gonna make it rain? You're gonna mess up my main. No, not that type of rain. Like a rain of stars. Okay. Who the heck is singing? I don't know. Anyway, let's get started. Okay. Might want to back up a little bit. The smell might be dangerous. Okay, I'm ready to see. You ready? Yeah, I've been waiting all day for this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Zing! It's raining stars! I want to eat it. No, you can't eat that. How you know that? I don't know. I'm guessing. You just said the spell might be dangerous. So, raining stars and I'm gonna eat them. What? Are you okay? Are you okay? Harmony? Harmony. Wake up! Maybe I should just, leave her here. Give her a few minutes. Just gonna sit right here. Something seriously is wrong with you. My gosh, whatever. I'm gonna go jump on a rainbow. I have no idea what just happened.